I'm Marmik, and I'm the co-founder and CTO of Pachira. So Pachira helps user create gamified and incentivize user journeys with a very little tech bandwidth to increase retention and decrease the cost of acquisition while maximizing the return of investment on rewards. So broadly, Pachira can be divided into three parts, which is gamification rule engine, a personalization or a A/B testing engine, and a partnership or a offer management module. So let's dive into the gamification rule engine. So we provide, so you can get the three different kind of campaigns. One is referral, which can range from plain vanilla referrals to a multi-level marketing campaign like Mudrex, where you can also have like, once I refer someone, what, like 1% of every transaction that that person does can be rewarded to me. So this helps your referrer nudge the referee to use your product, which in turn creates habit for your referee as well as referrer. It helps you grow organically while it saves you a lot of money on your Facebook and Google advertising. Or you can have a streak campaign where the streak could range from anything from doing 10 transactions in a month to doing a transactions worth 1,000 rupees in a month to even maintaining your investment portfolio of, let's say, 1,000 rupees in a month. It could, for crypto companies, that can range from like make for crypto companies, it can also, you can also incentivize staking for a longer period using this. Or it will be a simple user journey campaign where you can embed rewards and incentives throughout your user journey, whether it's onboarding or like cross-selling, etc. So let's go ahead and create a strict campaign to incentivize our users to do 20,000 rupees worth of transactions every 6 months using our card. Action. So then you go ahead and select an action. Action in our case is going to be a transaction, and we want one transaction. Transaction needs to be occurred one time to be complete, for to consider the task to be complete. The frequency measurement could be 6 months, and strict length to be 1. And we can add the aggregation function, which is sum we want greater than equal to 1 lakh, which is 100,000, and we'll use transaction value for that. We can add, let's say we want to give 1,000 rupees worth of Bitcoin to someone for doing a transaction of 1 lakh per month for a 6 month. Also, we allow you to do a segmentation. Segmentation can either be a randomized A/B experiment, or you can upload a cohort from CSV, or you can import from XPanel, or you can also upload a cohort from S3, or it can be available to all users. Let's do a simple randomized A/B testing of 60/40. You can set the maximum reward value that you want to give your users. We can set the messages as well as a notification webhook. And we also give, so like for the personalization and A/B testing model, we also give you analytics where you can divide by task, and you can see how test group or a control group is performing. And we also give you analytics on your reward dispersal, where you can, once we set the estimated budget during the campaign formation, we can see how much burn we are doing compared to the estimated budget, or we can check how much of the burn is resulting and what is the GMV resulted by the burn that we are doing, etc. You can raise disputes, etc. And we also seamlessly integrate to your um, existing workflow, and we send you notifications via Slack, or you can upload, as I mentioned, you can upload cohorts via Mixpanel, or like you can also connect to your WebEngage or MoEngage for triggers notifications to your end users. Now, the third part is the partnership or the offer management module. This is where merchants can create partners and issuers can select, merchants can create offers, and the issuers can select which offers to be used in the campaign. and you can have very complex offer terms and conditions. Like you can divide it into slab, like 100 rupees worth of cashback up to 10,000 rupees worth of transaction, 200 rupees worth of cashback up to 2,000 20,000 rupees worth of transaction. Or you can also have complex rules like this can be done only within this particular dates, or only for the first time users, or first time transaction at a merchant, etc. So, and the last part is the user view. You can build your own user view using the APIs, or you can use our own user view that we give. So it's just a 15 minutes integration of our web view. So I'll show you how our web view looks as well. So this is how a web view looks. Your user can view the price of their asset, can sell their asset, see whatever rewards they've earned, whatever rewards that are pending, or they can also see the offers running currently. So that's about it. So looking forward to having you onboarding you as a customer. Bye bye. Have a great day wherever you are.